Today, we're making an adorable Halloween candy house box, perfect for treats, parties, or spooky decor. Let's dive in. I already cut everything with my CRICUT machine. This file is available at my website and Etsy shop. Once your pieces are ready, fold along the score lines, apply glue to the tabs. Now put the sides together. We're going to fold this part like a box. Make sure everything lines up neatly. This is the fun part. This box is designed like a paper milk box, so it's easy to fold. When everything is folded, we can glue the bottom. I close the top with a wooden pinch to keep the top open. This way, I can easily fill it with candy or little toys. You can also add a ribbon. Now it's time to get creative. Carefully attach all the pieces to assemble your candy house, turning it into a complete, spooky Halloween box. You can add your own pieces like stickers, doodles, or a little glitter for that extra wow factor. Make it spooky, cute, or both. Let your glue dry completely. Then fill your house with candy. You can also personalize your Halloween house by adding vinyl stickers with names or custom text, making it truly one of a kind. And voila! Your Halloween candy house box is ready to impress friends, family, or trick-or-treaters. If you love this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fun Halloween crafts. Happy crafting and happy Halloween!